Wow, so cute. LOL. Another LOL. Wow. Oh, that's a grandma LOL. Nice LOL. Okay. Another LOL. Hold that only the legs here. You hold here. Yeah, wow, pretty. LOL. Another LOL. So cute. So cute. Wow, nice LOL. Okay, so, oh, nice LOL. Okay. LOL. Isa. Wow, nice. Masaka gido. Sige, go girl, go boy, go. No, na, 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 na. Kaon ko daw ang kain. Wait. Nakadagit na naman siya ng bagong car. Ayan. Diba? Yeah. Maybe something broken there. Don't go there, okay? Close for repair. Close is closed. They have to repair. Maybe it's damaged there, that's why. So you can.
Or they're still making it bigger.
I don't know.
Because the park looks small.
It's okay. Nandito kami sa park, guys. So, ito yung bagong park na na-discover namin. So, ayan. Diba? Pwede mo siyang spin, guys. Spinning.
Spin it.
Isa said no. So, ayan. No need, boy. No need, boy. So, ayan, nakadagit si Toto ng toys today. Boy, show me your toys. Show me your... What is this? Army? So, ayan, guys. Nakadagit siya.